All right, welcome back once again. So for you to be able to send out your test tokens based on the recent Xenea wallet tags that we are meant to do, we are meant to keep sending out these test tokens to anyone, to people, just to test the effectiveness of this wallet. The Xenea team are currently building heavily on this wallet. So what we are meant to do now is to send out this test token to people. So as soon as you send the test token to them, they are going to be sending the test token as well to you. Meanwhile, if you haven't watched the video on how to receive your own test tokens for the Xenea wallet latest task, you have to watch the video at the video description to understand how to go about the process so that you don't do mistake for any reason. All right. So first of all, to start sending out your test tokens, you need to request for the address. So you just go ahead and copy the address. So right here, since I've told you have to tell your friend or anyone that you know that is also mining the Xenea wallet to send you his address. So me now, this is the address that I've requested from someone in the group chat. So this person has sent me 5 TXEN tokens. So I'll just copy this address now and head back to my Xenea wallet. Then as soon as you head back to your Xenea wallet, you click on this send button right here. Okay, you click on this send button right here, and then you click on this Xenea Ubusuna. You click on it, and then now you can see two sections over here. You can see the first section is sent from this wallet to another wallet public address, and the second option is sent from Xenea Ubusuna wallet to another wallet. So right here you can see that I have this, what we are going to be concentrating at. We are going to be concentrating at this section. All right, we are going to be concentrating at this section, not this section, guys. Okay, so we'll just concentrate on this particular section right here. So here I have 15 TXEN. What I requested from the Discord channel is just 10 EXEN, but someone has sent me 5 TXEN. So since he has sent me that, now it has appeared here. All right, and then what I'll do now is to send back to the person so as to test the faucet. So I'll copy that address that I copied from the WhatsApp. I'll paste it right here. As soon as I paste this address right here, or first of all, I'll insert the amount. Okay, you first of all insert the amount that you want to send to the person, and then after inserting the amount, I want to send out again. So I'll click right here and send, let's say, 4 testnet token. And then after clicking on that 4 testnet token, you can see here this button has highlighted. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can see the summary of your transactions right here. This is a summary of your transactions. Okay, just go ahead and slide this button to the right to send it out. Okay, and then insert your password, and then it's gonna process, and in less than few seconds the token is going to be sent to that person, to that person's address, and the person is going to receive it in his own Xenea wallet. All right, then you can now just, after performing this, just click back to wallet, and then you can refresh the page after some seconds, and then the token is gonna be sent. Here you can see that it has been deducted from my wallet. You can see 5 now is remaining, and then it's going to reflect right in your wallet. Okay, but since you want to receive from someone, or let's say you want to receive from someone, you can just tap here, and then after typing there, you can just click right here, copy this address. okay, and share to the person, okay. That's it, guys. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you.